Quazi here. In today's video, I want to share with you a method, a guided meditation that we're going to jump into together, and I want you to do with me right now, that is going to help you step into a frequency that transcends all of the worries, the worldly frequencies that have kept you stuck in problem mode, in doubt mode, in fear mode. I was meditating this morning and this came to me. This is one of the meditations I used to do. And the reason why this is so powerful is because I look back at my life when I was at a tough spot, when I was quitting my job and I was very, very uncertain about where the future would take me. And every single morning I would wake up with my cortisol spiked and I would feel anxious, I would feel fearful because I didn't know. I was very, very uncertain about the direction of my life because I had made this choice to take my life in a direction that was completely unknown, completely uncertain. So if you're in a place right now where you feel like you are fighting, you feel like you are chasing, you feel like you are battling, just imagine stepping into a vibration or a frequency so high that it obliterates all of your issues and all of your problems. And so right before we get into this meditation, I actually inquire you to think about something. I want you to think about the highest feeling that one can feel. Just take a moment to think about the highest feeling that you have ever felt in your heart, in your life. What is that? What is the highest feeling that you can feel? I'm sure most of you will say that it's the feeling of love. Love makes everything else irrelevant. Love makes all of your issues, all of your problems, all of your worries irrelevant. Love is the thing that helps solve all of your problems, all of the issues that you are noticing in your reality, all of the things that you're getting stuck with. They spontaneously solve themselves when even in the face of scarcity, even in the face of doubt and worry, you can stay in that abundant place of love. Without love, life is meaningless. Please think about this for a second. No amount of money will matter if there is no love in your life, right? So every single year, this is 2026 as I'm making this, every single year I think about one word that would define my year, that is thematic, a theme for the year. And upon reflecting, meditating, I found out that my word for the year was love. Last year, my word for the year was flow, it was surrender. This year it's love, okay? So you may want to do this exercise, think about what your word of the year is, but in today's video, I want to get right into the meditation to help you step into the highest feeling. And I can promise you, if you can step into this vibration, all of your desires will chase you, all of your problems will spontaneously be solved, okay? So in preparation for this meditation, what I would like for you to do is sit somewhere comfortable, okay? Sit somewhere comfortable, relax yourself, and let's begin. I want you to sit upright, have a comfortable backrest or no backrest, however you prefer to sit. And I want you to think about the highest feeling. So take a moment to reflect on the highest feeling that you have felt in your life. And when I go back to the darkest times of my life, this was the one sliver of hope, the highest feeling that kept me going forward. And for each and every single one of you watching this video right now, there is that highest feeling that you know of, that you have felt in your life. The feeling that is bone-chilling, the feeling that makes the hairs on your neck rise, the feeling that makes it feel like life is worth it. I want you to take a moment to go back to that feeling. It may be a memory that you've had in your past, maybe a memory from your childhood. It may be even a memory from a few years ago. Just reflect on that feeling, the highest feeling that you have ever felt in your life. And now I want you to take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax. Take one more deep breath, and as you exhale, relax every single muscle in your body. Take one last deep breath and let everything go. I'm going to count back from 3. And when I get to 1, you're going to be the most relaxed you've ever been. 3, 2, 1. You are now fully relaxed. And as you hear the sound of my voice, you get more and more relaxed. Fall deeper and deeper asleep. With every single word I say, you fall deeper and deeper asleep. And now I want you to slowly feel your heart. Feel a sensation in the center of your chest towards the left. Feel your heart warming up. Imagine there's a glowing ball of energy right there in your heart. Imagine that this ball of energy is swirling. It's swirling slowly now. Slowly swirling. And as it swirls, with every swirl, it's getting warmer and warmer. And you can feel the warmth in your chest. And now the swirling is speeding up. Faster, faster, and faster. Your heart is getting hotter and hotter and packed with energy. And now, I want you to put your right hand on that spot. Gently lift your right hand and put it on your heart. Take a deep breath and feel the warmth of your heart. Now with your hand on your heart, I want you to go back to the highest feeling. The feeling of love. The feeling of joy. The feeling of peace. Feel the intensity of that feeling. As the swirling intensifies, feel that feeling intensify. Feel the swirling going on round and round and round, stronger and stronger and stronger. Feel that feeling of love intensify in your heart. Feel yourself getting more and more powerful. I am love. I am joy. I am peace. I am light. I am a perfect idea in God's mind. In your heart, I want you to feel all of the love that you felt in your life. Think about all of the people, feel all of the people who have sacrificed so you can be here today. Your mother, your father, your family, your aunts, your uncles, everyone who has ever raised you, everyone who has ever loved you. Feel their love in your heart. They sacrificed so you could be here today. all of the friends, all of the strangers who did kind things for you without asking for anything in return. All of the good people. I want you to send them loving thoughts. From this ball of energy in your heart, send them loving thoughts. Love to your father, love to your mother, love to that stranger who did something nice for you, even though they didn't have to. Love to your friends, love to your uncles and aunts, love to your brothers, sisters. Your heart is now hot with love, with energy. I love you. Love yourself. You're a perfect idea in God's mind. All of your problems are solved. All of your goals are achieved. You don't need to fight anymore. Just stay in this feeling of love. This is the final feeling before everything happens. Everything is done. You need not fight anymore. I'm going to count up. And as soon as I do, you'll wake up in this feeling of love. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back. How do you feel? Feel your body, feel your heart, feel your soul. Let me know in the comment section how you're feeling right now. And this is a meditation I want you to do for the next 30 days. If you can begin your day with this meditation, it is going to be the most powerful. This is a meditation that I do with my highest level clients, and I've seen some really great results with my clients. So I want you to do this every single morning, minimum for the next 30 days, just to begin your day with this and watch how your life changes. The key thing about this meditation is the feeling. If you want to stay in the frequency, you have to stay in the feeling. Okay? And when you can stay in this feeling for long enough, you can step into that highest feeling every single day. What do you think happens? How do you think your life changes? That is what I want possible for you. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in this next video.